What is up, guys? Today, I'm going to be going over the absolute cold truth about making money online, because most people, they think making money online is sitting by the beach with 8 girls, 3 pineapple smoothies, cigar, and then just jerking off all day. Well, the reality is that's not entirely the case. I mean, the girls are there, smoothies are there, the beaches are there, and I mean, that's part of it. 20%, 30% of it, but the 70 to 80% of it is the actual work, the discipline, the long nights alone, the dark hours where it's just you, your laptop, your phone, whatever it is that you're actually making money. Like for me with remote sales, at the very beginning, it was just me sitting in my dark room from 8 p.m. till 4 or 5 a.m. consistently every single night. And that's the thing with any online business is it's going to be hard at first. It's going to be extremely difficult. You have to be extremely disciplined in order for it to even work. And that's why the majority of people, they never make money online because they're not disciplined enough. They don't have the deep enough why into like why they actually want to make money online in the first place. And then another reason is that they just don't even have the skills or the know-how to even get started in the first place. Still with remote sales in particular, because that's what I do. So I'm able to make $20,000 a month anywhere in the world. The thing is with remote sales, it used to not be $20,000 a month consistently. It used to be $3,000 a month, $5,000 a month. It used to be something very small. But the thing is, even before making $3,000 or $5,000 a month, I was making $0 a month for the first 2 to 3 months. Now, of course, I could have sped up that process a lot further by furthering my education, investing in a mentor who was a little bit slightly ahead of me. But I already spent a lot of money into networking groups and things of that nature, so that way I could surround myself with people that are levels above me, so that way I can level up myself. But the point I'm trying to get to you guys, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with making money online. It's going to be dark and treacherous, especially for the first few months. And that's the thing with like entrepreneurship and making money online, is that you have to become the type of person that's actually able to do the things like making money online, being able to just be disciplined enough to show up each and every single day on your laptop and on your phone, however you're making money, and showing up the best possible version of yourself. Because the thing is, most people, if they were giving my exact vehicle I'm in right now that I'm making $20,000 a month with, it would just go right back to zero pretty much instantly. Because now I've built up the disciplines, the knowledge, the skills that's able to provide me the ability to actually make the income I'm making now, whilst also being able to travel to Koh Samui, Dubai, Malaysia, the Philippines, and going pretty much wherever I want to go, anytime I want. Now, does that make me travel the world every second of the day? No. I live in Bangkok, Thailand. This is my home base for now, because guess what? The network that I've built, the friends that I have, the very close brothers that I've met and got acquainted with, they live out here in Bangkok, Thailand. So this is the place I like to just set up the home base, stack up cash, investments, assets, and stuff like that, whilst also leveling up my skills with remote sales, posting YouTube content for you guys, so that way you guys can kind of follow along in my footsteps, and then being able to actually focus with my girlfriend, friends, improving myself, and just everything of that sort. Because even with the ability to travel the world at any time's notice, I mean, there's really no reason to keep bouncing around from place to place day after day. Like, it's good to just settle down, lock in for a season, a quarter, stack up, invest, and then go enjoy life. Because I mean, with remote sales and any other aspect of making money online, a lot of people, they make their first little bit of money, but guess what? They go spend it all at the bar, the club, travel, and they don't learn to save or spend, and then they end up right back to where they started. Because a friend of mine, well, it's not really a friend, but an acquaintance that I know of, he was making $100,000 a month. I'm not sure which online business it was, but I just heard this story. He was making $100,000 a month for like 3 or 4 months, and then it stopped. Like, he stopped making that much money, and then he had to go back to living with his parents because he didn't save, he didn't invest, and he didn't use that cash wisely to build up a savings for if everything went to shit, that he would still be okay for a while. But that's not the case. As his income was going up, so was his spending, so was his bills, and then just kind of equaled out and then ended up at zero at the end. So that's another thing I wanted to go over, is that when you're starting to make money online, you don't want to just think, oh, okay, so I'm pretty much saved now. I can retire. I can never work again. I can never focus on the future. But it's quite the opposite, because in fact, if you're making $20,000 a month like I am right now and it goes straight to zero, I mean, I'll probably last a good few months. But the thing is, you want to be able to start being even more financially literate, a little bit more smart with your money, because back home in the US, if you're working a 9 to 5 and you're living with your parents or you're in college, I mean, you can easily spend all your money and be totally fine if you lose it all, because guess what? You have that cushion, you have your parents, you have your family, friends, you have the safe 9 to 5 route to support you and hold you up even if you fall all the way down. But the thing is, if you're out in a foreign country like I am in a Bangkok, Thailand, and you run out of money and you run out of opportunities to make money, I mean, you're pretty much screwed. The only thing you have left is the flight home. So if you don't want that to happen, you need to start building up some savings, some investments, some assets. So that way, if everything does go to shit, especially if you're trying to make money online, you're gonna need that cushion, that backup, just in case if everything falls apart, you have time to settle things, find new opportunities, and to level up over time. And yeah, I mean, we've kind of gone over how it's not all sunshines and rainbows in terms of like being disciplined. You need the cushion, and then being able to actually surround yourself with the right people. Cut out all the vices, the weed, the alcohol, the clubbing. The more you do that, the more money, the more energy you'll lose, and the wrong people you'll be surrounding yourself with, which will kind of hurt you in the long run. I mean, you just need to start surrounding yourself with people that will level you up and not degrade you and not destroy you, because right now, the friends I have right now, they're the best friends I've had my entire life. We all want to see each other make more money. We all don't drink. We all don't smoke weed. We all just go to the gym. Maybe a cigar from time to time, but we're all like girls, go to the gym, boxing, making money. So, I mean, it's a very good group of friends to be around. And if you don't have those type of friends right now, if you have only friends that want to see you drunk, they want to see you get high, I'm sorry to say, but those aren't your friends. Those are people that are using you for entertainment. They want to see how down bad you get, and they think it's funny. But it's your life. If you want to be funny, if you want to make them laugh, and you just want to feel good because they feel good, you're already dead. You've already lost your life. You've given it to them. But if you want to take life in your own hands, cut them off, find new friends that help you level up and not level you out. So hopefully you guys pretty much get the point of the video. If you are looking to make money online, it's going to be a lot harder than it actually looks, because if it was that easy, everyone would be making money online. But the reality is it's not. So you need to build up the balls, you need to build up the courage, the disciplines in order to actually go down the path of making at least $10,000 a month online. And it won't be easy, but it won't take long. As long as you're disciplined and you just keep on track and move the needle forward each and every day, you'll easily get to $10,000 a month anywhere in the world with whatever skills you or whatever business vehicle you want to go down. It can be easily done, because the thing is, a lot of people, they say these online businesses, they're scams, they're lucky, any excuse they can give. But the thing is, none of these businesses fail. They all work. The only thing that fails is the people that are operating the vehicle. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. And if you do choose to go down the remote sales path, you want to stand in the cash flow from businesses, influencers, and their audience, you have no idea how to get started, and you have no idea how to find your first offer, learn the tangible skill of sales, and actually be able to start printing and making $10,000 a month anywhere in the world. I mean, what you can do is you can click the link down below, hop on a call with me. I can kind of walk you through the entire process of finding your first offer, training you, and everything like that. So that way I can fast track you to at least $10,000 a month anywhere in the world. So that way you can hopefully one day sit on the beach with a pineapple smoothie, a Thai girl on your right, a cigar on your left, and just enjoying your life, besides like driving to work at 5 a.m. like I was back in 2 years ago, driving to racetrack and just being miserable with my life. I don't want you to be like that. So finding a very valuable skill like sales, translating that online, I can easily help you with that. But with e-commerce, crypto, day trading, I can't help you that much. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today, got some key insights, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.